at you guys with a really special video. Super excited about it because it is my birthday video. My birthday is on Wednesday. By the time you guys see this video, it might be either Sunday or Monday. I'm not sure when the video will go up, but it is Libra season. And my 29th birthday is coming up this Wednesday, October 3rd, and I'm super excited for it. So I wanted to come on here and do an unboxing for you guys. As a disclaimer, this is in no way, shape, or form a bragging video or anything like that. It's simply a luxury birthday video. My birthdays are super huge. They've always been really big for my birthdays. I usually get a really big gift, and this year was no different. So without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and jump right into this luxury birthday unboxing. Okay, let's just jump right into it. All right, guys, so what we got was a Louis Vuitton purse as well as a wallet. So this is how it came in the packaging, and it's just, I think they might have changed their packaging because my last Louis bag I got came in like a dark brown box like this. But this is just like this really rich caramel, and I love how it had like the little bow tie on here. So it came like pre-wrapped already, and it does come with like this little card. And in here, let's see what we got. So inside of it, it came in like this cute little pouch. And then it did come with like these little perfumes. I did go ahead and open this just because I was super excited, and I actually opened it with my best friend, but I wanted to come on here and do it with you guys as well. But inside of this little pouch, it is two little these are perfumes, the Louis Vuitton. I don't know how to pronounce it because it is in French, but it is the Louis Vuitton perfume. I personally think that it smells like the Louis Vuitton store. If you've ever been inside of a Louis Vuitton store, I think that this is what this smells like. But it does say, after I read the card, a little bit of the parts that I could read, it's actually a women's perfume. So, I don't know, but it smells good. I sprayed it inside of my purse, which you guys will see in a little bit. So the wallet that I got is the Sarah wallet. It looks like this, and it just opens up two flaps, and in the inside it looks like this. I purchased this one because I have a lot of like bank cards and stuff, and like reward cards and things of that nature. So I wanted to be able to put like my license in here, my you know, my cards, my debit cards, my credit cards, my store reward cards, or just any cards that I needed to put in here. And I wanted to make sure that I had enough room. I did go ahead and get it stamped. I got my purse stamped already. Not my purse, but I got my wallet stamped already. And I just absolutely love it. And yeah, I do have the darker brown one like this that goes with my other bag. I do have the same one like this. And because I do like the style, I went ahead and I got this one. Okay, and now for like the big reveal. So this is the purse, and it comes in this sturdy box like that. This one, it opens up differently from my other one. It's almost like it's magnetic, so it kind of opens up and just, you know, it does this flap thing. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. We're going to open up the purse, and it does come in its own little bag, as all Louis Vuitton products does come in their own dust bags. Which I think is really good because, you know, you can put your purses in here and it helps the longevity of the purse, because these bags are not cheap and you want to make sure that you take care of them. So I'm going to put my other one that I have, I'm going to put it in the bag, back in her bag, and because I threw away the box, but I might just put it in this box and just put it in my closet. But guys, this is the bag. And yes, it does match my wallet. I'm a matchy type person. It does match my wallet, and I did get, because pink is my favorite color, I did get the inside pink. I think there were like 4 or 5 choices that you could get for the bag, like the inside of the bag. But I just chose the pink one, and it did come with those 2 little sample perfumes as well, so I just sprayed it in my bag. Like I said, I could not get this one stamped because it does come with the Louis Vuitton Paris stamp already on the purse, so I wasn't able to get it stamped. But I actually think I'm going to, whenever I get a chance, I'm going to see if they can maybe stamp this for me, just because I like to get mine stamped. And guys, I'm so in love with it. I actually thought when I initially got this, because I wanted the artsy MM because I just like the overall look of that bag. I love how like the strap is like big. Well, not big, but it's thick. Like, so I can pick it up and, you know, it won't be heavy on my arm or anything like that because the strap is not as thin, so, you know, it can hold more weight. But when I saw this on the site, I actually thought that this was a little bit thinner, but it's actually really thick. Like, it's thick like the other one as far as like the width of it, but this is not as thin, but that's okay. I fell in love with this bag when I saw it. Like I said, I wanted that artsy bag, but that bag was not in the budget right now, not with that and a wallet. And I don't want to buy a purse without the wallet. It's just something, that's just how I am. All of my purses, regardless where they come from, they have a wallet to match it. That's just how I am. But yeah, so I got this one instead, and I'm actually going to get that other one at some point. I don't know when, but since Mama had to buy her own purse this year, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, guys, I am absolutely in love with this purse. I'm so excited about it. This is like a great birthday gift to myself. I'm going to put so much stuff in here. Like, I already know because my never full, the thing, they say it's never full, but I always have so much stuff in that purse. I just realized I didn't even tell you guys what kind of bag this is. So this is, and it comes with the little card, and the wallet came like this as well. It comes with the little card, and inside the card it just has your receipt and, you know, all the details of the bag. And it also has like the authentication certificate and everything in it. And this particular purse is the Graceful MM. And then I actually put a card in here to myself, from myself. My best friend thought I was completely crazy that I did that. But I mean, who loves you more than you? Like, how do you send yourself a bag and not send a card? And the card was complimentary, so why not send it to yourself, you know? So yeah, that's all that came in here. And then in the bag, like, if you wanted to resell and a person wanted to know, you know, if the bag was real or not, it actually comes with a little tag. Let me see if I can get the little tag out for you. It comes in the side of the bag, and it comes with this little tag here. And the wallet also has the same thing, and it has like a serial number and all that other stuff on it, and it just shows that the bag is authentic. But yeah, guys, I absolutely love my new bag. I'm actually about to fill it up now. I'm going to switch my purses out. It's time to give my other one a rest because I have been wearing her for a while now. And it's time for her to, you know, rest and retire, you know. Oh, I also like that on my other bag is actually a snap. But this one, to close it, is magnetic. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there's like a little small circle and it's covered with fabric and it's magnetic and it just closes like... I can line it up. It closes like that. So yeah. So yeah, guys, this is the bag, the Graceful MM. And I also got it because of this. You see this droop here? I absolutely love that. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, it is not anything to brag or anything like that. This was just a birthday gift that I had been saving up for because I told myself that I wanted to buy myself something really nice for my birthday. And so I did. It's not, you know, anything to brag about. It's not like I'm just going out buying, you know, bags all the time. It's just like, ooh, ooh, look what I got. No, because I probably won't buy another one for a very long time. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are not following me on social media, please go ahead and follow me at DalanaB_. I am on Instagram as well as my Facebook like page. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you can see every time I upload. What else? Oh, if you guys want to send me a happy birthday, go ahead and put it in the comments down below. But if you follow me on social media, you can also put it there because I will be posting on my birthday. And until next time, guys, if you're a Libra, happy birthday. If you're an October baby, happy birthday. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.